Hi there. I'll start with the Ethereum weekly chart to show you the Wyckoff market structure, then zoom into the daily chart for the shorter term setup. This is education content only, not financial advice. Here, we are seeing Ethereum inside the accumulation cycle. Uh, it's midway towards the automatic rally, or it may have set the automatic rally top already. So remember, I said in a typical Wyckoff accumulation cycle, the automatic rally is a stage where the sideways trading of the accumulation cycle marks its ceiling. Okay, so that was last cycle. You see most of the trade falls below the blue line, 1950. Likewise, this time, I'm not sure whether it's a coincidence or is it just the market getting a little bit more mature when it gets to accumulation. It is back to this kind of range. However, there's one caveat over here because Bitcoin, not knowing whether it has bottomed, sometimes not all altcoins follow the same pattern of Bitcoin. So for Ethereum, in the case of the 2019 accumulation, it's almost in sync with the moves of Bitcoin, the blue line. Okay. However, if we fast forward to the 2020, 22 accumulation cycle, Ethereum bottomed first. Okay, Bitcoin bottomed about 4 or 5 months later, and at that moment, Ethereum did not drop lower than the previous low. Okay, so two different scenarios happen. One in sync, one out of sync. This time, we don't know yet. Okay, while they look more or less in sync right now, right? We are not sure whether if Bitcoin really hasn't bottomed yet, if that when that happens, would Ethereum follow and create a lower low? Okay, that's the caveat I want to share with you. For Ethereum, if it is going through the accumulation cycle, we expect sideways shaking or testing of paper hands to continue. There's also one hypothesis I have. If you look at this long, big yellow box compared to the white box over here, the hypothesis of the white box is that Ethereum can drop back to its previous low, back to 2018 and 2020. That means $150 or even lower. The second hypothesis, the yellow box, this channel assumes that Ethereum, along with time, its base price will continue to go up. We don't know which one will happen yet, but this cycle, or if the economy is going to get worse, can prove to us which particular hypothesis holds true. Okay, this is the real test for crypto as well as Ethereum. Now, going to the daily chart. What we have over here in the daily chart is that Ethereum has just dropped outside of the rising channel, similar to Bitcoin. Okay, the bulls will definitely try to push the price back to the rising channel. Like we discussed last time, when we get closer and closer to the date of 28th of July, we're getting into this corner. And every time we see this kind of triangle, may it be this kind of inverted one, or when it is a descending channel or falling channel, this kind of triangle, the 2C's decision point comes in. Either it continues with the trend of first C, the second C is change. Change means it's going to break the channel support or channel ceiling, depending on which kind of channel it is. Change to a different trend, either sideways or the other direction. And in this case, it's panic confirmed, okay? Because sometimes it fake out for a day and then the next day it returns to the channel. If it is really dropping out, the first support is 1800. You can see the immediate key level over there. The immediate resistance is still 1950. All right. From a volume perspective, it's pretty much average. Okay, so no particular commitment from the bulls or the bears. If you're interested to access these sessions 2 days earlier, join the other channel members now. See you in the next one. Thank you.